Hi guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove 5P. First of all, you have to enter your password hotspot. When you input the password and connect it, after you have to wait, and I show you checking about for updates. You can see here and set up new. Just a second, you can see here verify your account, but here is not verify account, but I don't remember this account Gmail. So now I want to remove this FRP. So you have to remove the backside and you have to disconnect battery, and then you have to insert your SIM. You can see here I insert SIM in this mobile. After guys, you have to connect this battery and connect backside and op and power on your mobile. Hey guys, hi there are setup. You can see here, click on emergency call and use to finger emergency information, click on pencil. You can see here settings of and add a contact number. So the wait contact will automatically show you, and then you have to click any contact. You do wait, click any contact, and you have to click on profile contacts. You see icon, and so guys, you have to click on three dot and share it and hold message icon app info. After that, you have to scroll down and click on SMS app and scroll down. So guys, scroll down and you have to click open links. You can see here open links. After that, you have to scroll down last in YouTube, open and click on icon. After, you have to click app notification and scroll down additional settings. After, you have to click last in about and click YouTube term of service. You can see here YouTube. When you click on YouTube terms and Chrome browser, it automatically open. You can see here Chrome browser is open now, and then you have to search frpfile.com/bypass. When you input this link and click and search, guys, after you have to download Google Account Manager 8 version. You can see here 8 version you have to download. Continue, hello, and okay. After, you have to download bypass FRP file. You can see here and download it. Okay. After, you have to click on three dot and go to downloads. You can see here two applications are downloaded. You have to install this application Google Account Manager and go back and install it. When your Google Account Manager is installed, then you have to install bypass FRP bypass file. Bypass FRP file. You can see here install, and guys, open this file. So after, you have to click on three dot and browse and sign in. Okay. Now you have to input your now you have to enter your Gmail. Already you have created. When you enter your Gmail, then you have to click on next. So and sign in your password. Gmail sign in incomplete. You have to restart your mobile. Click on power button. You can see here and reboot this mobile. Do it, guys. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest videos. When your mobile will reboot, and you have to click on start button and do it. Just a second. Connect Wi-Fi, escape, continue, and escape, and not now, escape anyway, and more, and I agree. You can see here. No thanks. Just a second. You can see here. The mobile FRP is removed now. You can see here. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the latest videos, and agree. Click your country, and next finish. FRP bypass is removed now. So guys, I'm going to next video.